Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make butter from yogurt. Start by chilling plain whole milk yogurt until very cold, then strain excess whey using a fine cloth or sieve. Transfer the thickened yogurt into a jar or bowl and agitate until fats clump together. Once solid butter forms, rinse under cold water to remove remaining whey, then knead with salt or herbs for flavor and store chilled in an airtight container. Warm and friendly tip: use full-fat plain yogurt for a creamier result and avoid flavored varieties that add sugar. After straining, shake or beat the thickened yogurt steadily. Patience yields better clumps of butter. Once you see pale butter solids, separate them and squeeze out leftover whey, then rinse with cold water until it runs clear. Finally, season and work the butter to a smooth consistency before storing it in the fridge. For flavoring, fold in salt or fresh herbs once most whey is removed to ensure even distribution and better preservation. Keep your butter in a sealed container to maintain freshness, and label it with the date so you can track use within about 2 weeks. If you want long-term storage, portion and freeze the butter. Thaw slowly in the refrigerator to preserve texture and taste when you are ready to spread or cook with it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.